Hey mamas, it's Dana again, and today I'm talking about how to spring clean your bedroom into a much sexier space, right? Because we all know that a cluttered space that is overrun with kids' toys and Amazon packages that you need to return doesn't exactly inspire hot desire. Now, before I had kids, I was one of those women who was certain that our little love palace of a bedroom would never be overrun by breast pumps and toys and unsexy clutter. But how wrong was I? No matter how hard I tried, the unsexy mess of parenthood crept into our bedroom and transformed it from being an oasis of seduction to just a constant reminder of busy, messy parenthood. But eventually, my husband and I made a commitment to reclaim our bedroom as our boudoir, and it was one of the best things we ever did for our sex life. It didn't take much time or money, but the small effort that we made a huge difference in transforming our bedroom back into a stimulating and arousing space. And as it turns out, just a little spring cleaning and a few small upgrades can really make you and your spouse feel like lovers again instead of roommates. So with that said, here are a few tips that you and your partner can try to transform your bedroom into a special place that turns you both on. Number one, you gotta ditch the clutter and the technology. You wanna make it a practice to put your clothes straight into the hamper, not on the floor or draped over a chair. Yeah, you wanna work together to move any exercise equipment or other clutter out to another room. And you wanna stop storing things in corners or under your bed. And the digital clutter needs to go too. You gotta remove any big screens from your bedrooms and little ones too, like your smartphones and tablets, because they're just too great a distraction from paying attention to each other in a sensual way. Now, even if you try this technology decluttering for 1 week, I know you are gonna notice a big difference and feel more romantically connected. Number two, I want you to make your bedroom a kid, work, and in-law free zone. So you wanna move out family photos to another room, because even though it's very sweet to have a picture of your mother-in-law with your kids displayed on your dresser, that visual just doesn't inspire any lust. You also want to keep the kids' toys and stuffed animals in their bedroom, or if you must keep them in your room, have a big basket with a lid on it in the corner of your room and stuff everything in there. You also want to get rid of any traces of work or domestic responsibilities from your boudoir, like your to-do list, your computer, as those are just a reminder of all the things you need to do. Number three, you want to use soft lighting to flatter and seduce, right? The right lighting has the power to create intimacy and warmth and just instant ambiance. So at the bare minimum, switch over your lamps or overhead fixtures to dimmers. Another great investment is to invest in a set of 10 flameless candles. I have some right there. And that warm flickering light just really helps you get in the mood and set an immediate vibe for love. Tip number 5 is to set a sensual mood with fragrance, right? Scent can be a huge turn on in the bedroom, kind of transporting you out of your regular day routine and into a personal, sexy playground for the senses. So sexy scented candles, you can burn oils, set out fragrance sticks. Think vanilla, musk, sandalwood, even a little cinnamon. Something with a combination of sweet and spicy is really sexy. And of course, keep some flowers by your bed. Not only do they smell amazing, but the flowers, they burst into bloom, and that is a very sexy visual. Tip number 6 is to keep a seductive book and some delicious treats on your nightstand, because no matter how sexy and uncluttered your bedroom looks, there's always room for a little extra stimulation to get you both in the mood. So keep an anthology of sexy stories or a book of provocative photography by your bedside table. You can look through it with your partner, talk about what you each find sexy about each story or photo, and that's foreplay. I also highly recommend keeping some sensual treats nearby, like little bites of chocolate, as each bite of chocolate can be a nice sensual warm-up to an incredible orgasm. I like chocolate before my orgasms. So your mission now is to give your bedroom a makeover together. Plan to take an afternoon or evening and do as many of these sexy spring cleaning suggestions as you can. Pour your love into creating a more seductive space to share together, and you'll find you both start to feel more relaxed and romantic in your bedroom again. I wish you good luck, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.